Tired of Bitcoin's slow transaction times and high fees? Then you need to explore the Bitcoin Lightning Network. This layer-to-solution offers instant, low-fee transactions, perfect for everyday use. First, let's set up a Lightning wallet. There are several options available for both mobile and desktop. Choose one that suits your needs, considering whether you prefer a custodial or non-custodial wallet. Once your wallet is installed, you'll need to open a channel with another Lightning node. Think of this as setting up a direct payment line. Your wallet will guide you through this process, requiring a small on-kind Bitcoin transaction to fund the channel. Now for the magic: sending payments. The Lightning Network finds the fastest route for your payment, hopping through multiple channels to reach the recipient. Your wallet simplifies this. Just enter the recipient's Lightning invoice or address and hit send. Receiving payments is just as easy. Your wallet generates a Lightning invoice, a unique code the payer uses to send you Bitcoin. These invoices are quick to generate and make receiving instant payments a breeze. Lightning Network is transforming Bitcoin. From online shopping to point-of-sale systems, explore the possibilities and discover the future of Bitcoin transactions.